like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis, back again with another reaction video. So a lot of you guys have been asking me to react on this music video straight out of Meghalaya called Khasi, and it is coming in from Jlawdohtir featuring Dcube. So I'm very much excited and eager for this one. So without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just dig in, dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table. And yeah, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. You know, it truly means a lot. Also, do follow me on Instagram. You know, I follow back, genuine follower. So this is my Instagram ID. Do follow me. Hey, let's just jump straight into this music video and let's vibe into it. Hey, let's go. Wow, this is really beautiful. The waterfall, the mountains, the scenery. OP, GG. Oh, one thing I am proud of him is that he is a Khasi, and I really love this one because, you know, each and every one of us should be proud of our own tribe, of our own tradition, of our own culture. You know, wherever you are, from whichever state you may be, you should be proud of who you are. Definitely, I am proud to be a Tangsa. Hey. 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 Meghalaya is indeed blessed with, you know, nature, with waterfall, with mountains, caves, and man, there are a lot of things in Meghalaya, many fascinating things, and the whole northeast as a whole is totally blessed, abundantly blessed. Dcube, okay. DJ Patarim. Hey. Oh man, amazing drone shot. So beautiful. Hey, bro, come on. Hey, let's go. Oh. For those of you who do not know, Shillong is called the Scotland of the East. Most of you should already know about this one. If you are not from Meghalaya also, you must know. Hey. Hey, northeast, southwest. Hey. That's what's up. Oh, behind the scenes. Okay.
Labiang, 1, 2, 3, action.
Cow. Thank you for watching. You are welcome. And yeah, it was an amazing music video. I love the message in this one. You should be proud of who you are. I really love this one. And yeah, Meghalaya is indeed blessed, you know, with a lot of things in terms of nature, environment, and in every field Meghalaya is really blessed. And yeah, shout out to Jlawdohtir team and Dcube. It was really dope, and I believe Jlawdohtir channel is one of the biggest channel in Meghalaya, and they are doing really great. Shout out to the whole team out there. And yeah guys, if you haven't watched the original music video yet, please go and watch. The link is in the description. And yeah, shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing. Hey, once again, North is for life. Here we go.